Hello, welcome and namaste everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. Today we are presenting the second part of Bank and Financial Institution Act 2073. For information, we already discussed the first part of the Bank and Financial Institution Act 2073. If you want to watch that video, the link is given in description box below. So watch that video also. Now in this video, we'll discuss what are the provisions on incorporation of bank or financial institution in Nepal and in which condition NRB can refuse to provide the prior approval of bank and financial institution. So now let's start the video. Provisions on incorporation of bank or financial institution. Before the incorporation of the bank and financial institution, it is necessary to get prior approval from the Nepal Rastra Bank. Bank can be incorporated only as a public company. To get prior approval from the Nepal Rastra Bank, it is required to submit related documents along with the application, which are as follows: Memorandum of Association of the proposed bank or financial institution, Article of Association of the proposed bank or financial institution, Feasibility Study Report of the proposed bank or financial institution, personal details of the applicants in the form as prescribed by the Nepal Rastra Bank. Similarly, a certified copy of the agreement, if any, concluded between the applicants prior to the incorporation of the bank or financial institution, evidence of the statement disclosing the sources of income and tax clearance by the applicants up to the current fiscal year, details as to whether or not applicants of the proposed bank or financial institution is declared bankrupt in Nepal and abroad, borrowed any loan from any bank and financial institution, whether or not person has been blacklisted in any transaction with a bank and financial institution. If so, in any situation that applicant of the proposed bank and financial institution is declared as bankrupt in Nepal and abroad, at the same time if they borrowed any loan from any bank and financial institution or blacklisted in any transaction with the bank and financial institution, the time period must be past 3 years. Similarly, self-declarance of the applicant stating that no action has been taken and no punishment has been imposed against the applicant in Nepal or abroad for being involved in cheating, fraud or criminal offence as per the prevailing laws. Details as to whether or not action has been taken against the applicants in Nepal or abroad by any regulating or supervisory authority. Similarly, details as to name and address and relationship of the members of family of applicants. Thus, these all are the documents required to get prior approval from Nepal Rastra Bank on incorporation of bank or financial institution. Now, let's discuss the prior approval may be denied. NRB shall provide approval within 120 days from the date of application received. NRB can refuse to provide prior approval in the following condition: if the name or banking and financial transaction can be carried out by the proposed bank and financial institution is not found to be appropriate from the point of view of public interest, religion, ethnicity, or traditional beliefs, etc. If the objective of the proposed bank and financial institution is contrary to the prevailing laws, if an incorporation of the proposed bank and financial institution does not seem to be technically appropriate. Next, if study of the feasibility study report, details and documents other infrastructure submitted by the proposed bank and financial institution does not provide a ground to believe that it may carry on financial transaction in a healthy and competitive manner. Likewise, if not all promoters of the proposed bank and financial institution have signed the Memorandum of Association and Article of Association, also stating their names, address and number of shares subscribed by them in the presence witness, and the name and address of the witness have not been mentioned. Next, if per person share investment limit and share ownership ratio has not been found to have been maintained as prescribed by the Nepal Rastra Bank from time to time. Next, if it is found to be inconsistent with the policy relating to the incorporation of a bank or financial institution and licensing policy issued by the Nepal Rastra Bank. Last one is, if any condition as prescribed by the Nepal Rastra Bank has not been found to be fulfilled. So these all are the conditions in which Nepal Rastra Bank can refuse to provide prior approval to incorporation of bank and financial institution. Thank you for watching our video. And if you like our video, please do like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. If you are not watching our first video, the link is given in description box below. So thank you.